Alright guys, this is a quick video on Bitcoin. I wasn't planning on making a video before I went to bed. I did release a video earlier, but so far I've been calling 55k. I believe I called it 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago. I said, hey, I wouldn't enter the market until we got to at least 55k. 56k, I would start thinking about re-entering market for the funds I had allocated. So today we had the drop take place. I said be patient. It may take 2, 3, 4 days, could take up to 7 days, and things played out as I thought. But let's look at a couple things that are going on really quick. So if you look up here, you see that Lux is thinking we're in a falling wedge, which you can see right here. Now, what happens with falling wedge? So let's take a look. It says falling wedge on a rising trend, then goes sideways and breaks to the upside. So let's go back to our trading view. Let me get rid of the marking. So look, it's rising, comes into this trend, it's bouncing. So from here, 80%, 75%, whatever the probability is, now we should bounce up. Now it doesn't say how much it has to bounce, but let's take a look at it really quick. So if you were to draw, let me move this. If you were to draw a trend line of how big the move was, let's say from here to here, and hold on, let's take this trend line and let's move it. Let's say we think it's gonna break over here. Well, if the breakout takes place, then it could bring us back to the 61k range and retest. So if it retests, then we may retest before we bounce. Now, if you zoom out a little bit, you can see we're still in the master pattern of movement. So not much has changed. But what this crash actually did was it triggered the 4 hours to have a sell signal. So it thinks eventually we should go to $54,884. So the 55k is still possible to break. We may go lower, but I have to wait for more signals to pop up. So I just wanted to show you that. And then also I wanted to show you something. Let me pull that picture up. All right, so look at this. I took a snapshot when it happened. So Lux, I have liquidity grab, it shows it. So look what it did. When Bitcoin dipped down, it actually used this section to do a liquidity grab. This is for leverage trading. This is them manipulating the market. They're showing, yes, it dropped. It should have probably dropped here, but it went the additional depth to get this liquidity from people. So remember, liquidity grab is important. And I want to show you one other thing. So if you look at the Lux algo, there's a zone that I have triggered recently. If you look right here, it's called a discount zone. And you can see the word discount is right there. And you can see we wicked in there. If you look at Kaspa, now the discount zone is based on time frame. So you can see the discount zone, the lowest part is 55,000. Now if I go to the 12-hour chart, you can see the 12-hour chart has a discount zone that is lower. So here's the discount zone, and let me make a box. So this thinks we have a chance, let's say 50 to 48k is the next discount zone if the pullback is deeper. So I'm gonna study these discount zones a little bit, and I will see what I can tell you about it later on. But again, you can see the liquidity here. You can see, hold on, let me bring this down a little bit, move my writing. Okay. So you can see how the market manipulates moments. You can see they did a liquidity grab here. They did a liquidity grab there. So they did a liquidity grab here. Main purpose of this video is I've been telling you guys we would come to at least 55k, but the range was 55 to 56. We went to, let's say, 55.5. So a lot of the things played out exactly as I said. Remember, I had probably 80% chance to be right, 20% wrong. But I'm a big believer on best entry possible. So let's look at a few coins really quick. Based on the 4-hour chart, Caspa entered my first profit zone. Let's see what LCX did. A lot of you are LCX fans. LCX also entered the discount zone right here. So a lot of coins entered the discount zone. If you guys are interested about the discount zone, please leave on the comment below. Please put some likes on it. Then I will take some time, study it, and I will elaborate better. I'm going to wrap it up. The video went longer than I thought, but I just wanted to say, hey guys, my goal always have been to help you get the best entry as possible so you don't blindly just buy at any dip. Till next time, peace.